step two is once you establish that there is a contract between two parties, potentially more, you have to identify like things known as performance obligations. So performance obligations are just distinct services that you as a seller, vendor, are promising to deliver. That's what those are. And sort of talked about it in the earlier part, which is SaaS companies often have multiple obligations, like multiple things that they're selling. They're selling software access, they're selling customer support often, onboarding, implementation, additional add-ons, premium features. So usually all sorts of things in an agreement, that you're selling. And you want to be able to track each of those separately. And a lot of times what companies do is these obligations, it's like your product catalog is kind of what it is.
Okay.
Think of it that way. But if you really want to implement ASC 606, somebody's got to do a deep dive into like what exactly are these obligations. Because there's things like discounts. A discount could be an obligation. There could be all sorts of other rights that maybe you've given them. It can get kind of tricky. So if you go down the route of ASC 606, this one is going to be one where somebody's going to spend some amount of time to document.